Hi, I'm Debbie Carson, and I'm here today to show you how to set up your Trailblazer student account. First of all, go to your web browser and enter the URL https://trailhead.salesforce.com/trailblazerconnect. This will take you to the page where you sign up for an account with Salesforce. To sign up, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. You can, if you're logged into a Gmail account, you can click on Google and it will use that account. If not, you can click on the email button and enter your email. Either way, pretty much the same. I'm logged into a Gmail address, so I'm going to click on the Google link. And I'm going to select the account that I am logged into. So it logged me in. I mean, it's already knows a little bit about me because it accessed my Gmail profile, my Google profile. So, but it's going to ask for some other information. So it already remembered knew the name and the last name that I had entered before. And it created a username for me for my profile on Trailblazer of my first initial and my last name. But if that's not what you want to use, you can change that to something else. So I don't know. I will try Toady831 and then click the next button to continue completing your profile. There are a lot of fields on this page that are required that don't necessarily apply to what we're going to be doing in this class. So just enter the best you can come up with. I'm going to enter for my company name. I'm going to enter Cabrillo College. For the role name, click the down arrow to choose, and if you go further down you'll find student. The country name, United States. Job title is not required. Relationship to Salesforce, non-customer/prospect is a good choice. And for the state, if you're like me, we're in California. Then you need to check this box to agree to all of the privacy agreements, and you're done. It's creating your account, and it will show you your, it should show you your home page. So if it's not showing you your home page, you can go in the upper right hand corner and click on your user avatar and click Profile. And you can see the profile you just created. So this is the profile URL that you created. Will be, you'll need to send that to me so that I can follow your progress as you're going through the trail mix. So just make sure that you can get back to this page. And a good way to do that would be to click the Favorites button on the to add it to your bookmarks. So we should go ahead and do that. And then that is all we need to do for today. So go ahead and complete your Trailblazer account, and then we can start on the first of the modules in the trail that we are going to pursue.